Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Ray's Auto Trim and Fast Car Decals, and what we're doing today is a 2018 Chevy Colorado Summit hood stripe. It's a matte black with 3M wet install vinyl. The Chevy Colorado hood stripe kit is one of our best sellers, but been asked by several people to show a wet install, so that's what I'm going to do. I had a recent one from GameCube. Special shout out to you for making this request. What I've done on this particular hood is I've went ahead and installed the one side, and it fits snugly in the body line that is on the hood. So really it's kind of hard to not put it in the right spot like some stripes. So what I've done is I've went ahead and installed it, and I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on and show you how I do that. One of the things I've already done is I've taken the white paper off, and I've taken some of my water and Dawn dishwashing liquid, a few drops solution. You can't put too much on there. You can't. I mean, you can put too much detergent. Don't put too much. It takes forever to dry. But just a couple of drops. But I'm getting it good and wet. We'll flip it over and show you a couple of things I do to get this installed. And if you can see, it's kind of got a blue cast to it. Now that's that pre-mask. It's a blue pre-mask. So a lot of times the most popular call that I get is, why is my stripe blue? It's not. That's the color of the pre-mask. The stripe color is underneath there. So let me get this flipped over and put in. And in fact, I'll just go ahead and I'll try to do it with one hand. One of the best things about the wet install is you can move it around. And that's probably the reason that we sell probably more of the wet install than the dry install. As you can see, I'm lining that up with the next piece. And one of the things that I like to do when I'm squeegeeing on the dry installs, I like to put just a small film of water on top. What that's for is to help that squeegee slide across that vinyl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to always start in the middle. It'd help if I had my squeegee, but I got it now. And what I'll do is I'll get that where I want it, and that's really close to where I want it. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to come out. Sorry. See, I started in the middle, and I've kind of put that paddle down, and I went over and I put it down. I'm not going in too big a hurry. I'm just taking my time, and I'm going back and forth. Back and forth down. Looks like I'm starting to okay, so I'm still taking that, working the vinyl, working that water. See that water coming out of there? Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to kind of come up. The 3M wet install is just so nice and so popular because for the fact that you can move it around. But once you get used to the dry, you'll probably never go back. But for those of us that just stripe every now and again, you just can't beat it. A couple characteristics of the wet install is you can't really be in a hurry like you can with the dry install. I'm going to go over this again with my paddle. What I'll do is I'll spray it, and I'm going to go over it once, twice, maybe 3 times, and then I'm going to let it sit, and I may just pull it right outside because it is sunny, and that will help with letting it set up. I'm going to pull that pre-mask off, and you're still going to see some bubbles. You're going to see a little bit of water. It's still moist underneath there. It's still got dampness. That will come out. Our vinyl is porous like skin. It'll pull out, just kind of like window tint. Sometimes you see those specks. Well, they come out. Same way with the vinyl. And you always want to wait about 72 hours before you ever wash the vehicle. I'll take a shot here after we get this done, and we'll we'll take a look at it. And also, I got a second video coming up. I've got the Raton side stripes. We'll do an install video on that as well. So thank you for checking in with us. GameCube, thank you for recommending this video along with the other folks that have, and we appreciate you looking at our YouTube channel, Ray's Auto Trim, and Fast Car Decals, and our websites. And this kit is available. It's a relatively easy install, but wow, it really does look good on the Chevy Colorado. So again, thank you for watching, and stick around, and I'll show a picture of the after the install, and subscribe to our channels. We appreciate all you do. Thank you.